This week we stay in an olive farm and go see somewhere huge waves.
So we've just left our campsite and where our first stop is a supermarket to stock up because we're going to be off-grid, shall we say, for the next few days. So we're going to go top up on water and food.
Turn right on the stop sign.
So we've come to explore some caves today. I think it's going to be quite fun. We've driven up the mountainous roads and we are at the caves of Saint Antonio.
Here we have our first lake, it's called Happiness Lake. And here we have the stalactites and the stalagmites. Here we have the stalactites from the top, stalagmites from the bottom, and then the columns, you see. All this happens with the water coming in. The water comes in through the wedges, produces these stalactites, you see, because we have to also have the limestone for all this to happen. Limestone is a very soft rock, so the water penetrates the limestone, it starts to carbonize, and it produces a mineral called calcite. To produce all this, you can see that so look at this. And we have our residents that we have these nice residents here during the winter. Look at all these nice bats. We have bats.
Oh my gosh!
You see? They come here to sleep in the winter.
I think this
Over
trunk.
here, you see, this is a full extension of the hall. Our full view of the gallery. I like to call it more a gallery than a hall because it does look like an art gallery.
It really does.
Many artists that work here.
Wow.
Not really, just one artist, just nature itself.
Mother Nature.
Just Mother Nature who did that, all this.
It's fantastic. Wow.
Over here we have two very special stalagmites. You see this one here? And this one over there. I'll try to look at this one. Over here and over there. These stalagmites are so thin, we call them needles. Because they're so thin. You see?
They are.
We're going to be going up there. Over there. That's the highest point we can go.
So we've reached a viewpoint. Challenge Tom because his fear of heights. Hi. How you feeling up here?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's not too bad. Look at that. Can't look out the window. It's like a sheer drop the other side. Oh, it's
There's a barrier there, look.
there is a barrier, but there wasn't just then. So we're very high up, which is beautiful because the views are absolutely stunning. But it's scary. Size of these. Apparently the lady said it was this time of year, wasn't it? For harvesting.
Good to eat them.
Don't they? So we've come to the olive oil farm for a night, and these are the pictures you get, all amongst the olive trees. Good morning from the olive farm. Just walking up. The lady came round last night and asked us if we'd like some fresh rolls and pasta del natas as she was making them last night. So I'm off up to collect them this morning. So you're allocated a number of pitch when you get here, and you can buy anything from the little honesty bar, and you just have to put it next to your number and they'll charge you on the way out. So they've got everything from ice cream and wine. You can order dinner as well. Check these out. The lady said they're really warm. They've just been put in the oven to cook through, and I've got some bread rolls as well. They're still warm. I'm cuddling them, so I'm going to go deliver the goods. Oh, who's going to have the first one?
And I have my Joey.
You've got Joey. Do you want the first one?
No.
Oh, down to you then, Daddy.
Yep.
You can have cinnamon on top.
Yeah.
He's going for that one.
At 10 AM as well, on the morning that we were due to leave, we chose to go around the free tour that they do on the olive oil farm, which they also offered you a tasting. We then headed off to our next stop, which was Nazare. You got a lift there, Molly? Lift to the beach, huh?
Let's go. Look how big they are.
Huge waves, aren't they? Look at all the fish drying out along the beach. Look at these little ones.
They look like sardines.
You do, don't you? All these boats were donated by fishermen. Got some good chopping going on here. We've got dinner, we've got a burger on the go, and we're using bread rolls that we got from the olive farm this morning. Should be yummy. We've come for a little evening walk. I think there's a harbour along here. I could be wrong, but I think I looked at the map. And this is just like a little lane that comes off our parking. And look. Yes. Not too sure what that plant is. We've discovered the harbour on sunset and it's stunning.
And it's definitely the perfect place for crabbing. And there's a lot of big boats down there.
There is a lot of big boats, isn't there? There's a lot of cats around this harbour. They've even made like little cat houses.
And they've definitely been feeding them shrimp or some kind of fish.
Do you reckon shrimp?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Because I saw some in their house.
Oh, in the little cat houses we see. We've stopped to watch the waves.
And they even flew up with some water splashing up.
They did, didn't they?
Yeah! I just saw some. It was humongous.
The waves are huge here in Nazare, obviously what it's famous for. Go on then. I win. We're on.
Can we take it back?
You can be wherever you like.
I'm gonna do back.
Maybe at the front because you get to see out the window. Why?
No, then we could see.
No,
I'm going to sit
yeah,
here.
It's good at the front.
Yeah,
I'll sit here.
Bye-bye.
Leaving the station. I know, right? Going for a tunnel. Look at that.
Is Daddy on the swing?
So Tom walked all the way up with Joey.
Carried half the way.
And Joey refused to walk half the way, so he's filthy from the dog. So we've reached the top. We're just about to find where we need to go.
Hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a surprise.
Andy.
Look at that sunset. Wow. I don't think you can quite capture on film the magnitude of these waves. Here's one for you,
I
Grandad.
come prepared.
You brought the torch just in case, didn't you?
Yeah, if there's no lights, then I brought a handy coat. With, let me just have a little look.
Oh, what you got?
I got lemon. I got Oreo with the Nutella cone. Yeah, I got Nutella cone.
What you got, Daddy?
Pistachio and
Kinder Bueno.
Kinder Bueno.
Oh, is it good?
Very nice.
Is it well worth the trip up there?
Definitely. Duh.
Duh.
Thank you for watching. See you next week.